Alright, we've trimmed up our head here. We've taken some out in here, you can see. We've cut off the bottom of the mouth here, so now our mouth is going to fit. On the back, we've trimmed up the bottom of that, so now we get this to fit. So now that fits okay. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So I'm going to drill the hole here for our stick. And this is an 1¼ inch stick we're going to use here. So if you remember, we marked the bottom before we sanded down our neck, so we knew where the center was for our hole. So I'm going to drill up about 2 inches. So that's where we want to go with that, so we'll be able to glue our stick in. Be sure when you put it in your vise, you put the back of the head on so you don't crack your head. So now we can glue this in and then move on to the next step.
For victims of drunk and drug driving, our grief is unique. But you are not alone. You always have a place at MAD. Call our 24-hour victim helpline at 877-MAD-HELP or visit mad.org. Prescription products require an online consultation with a healthcare provider who will determine if a prescription is appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information. Looking for a real solution for ED? So are we. At 4hims.com/radio, you can get access to the trusted generic versions of proven treatments for ED, like Viagra, for 95% less than the brand name price. That's right, 95% less. I was prescribed the generic for Viagra, and Hims shipped it directly to me for free in discreet packaging. I didn't have to go to the pharmacy, deal with insurance, or wait ages for an in-person appointment. The Hims process is super convenient, totally private, and 100% online. After you complete a simple medical intake at 4hims.com/radio, a licensed medical provider assesses your information and determines if treatment might be right for you. Hims made it so simple to get access to treatment for my ED. Now, I feel like myself again. And we feel like us again. Start your free trial today at 4hims.com/radio. That's forhims.com/radio for your free visit.
So now we got our stick in. So now we'll just let this set up for a little bit, then we'll get ready to drill our hole in here for our string. Thanks for watching.